So, as a pumping mom, napa-order na ako nito mga momshies. So, this is the breast pump plunged inserts from Dr. Ayla, one of the trusted brands. So, ginagamit ko always as my main pump, yung Spectra S1. And, ang inclusions lang doon na flange sizes is yung 24mm and 28mm. Currently, and since then, yung 24mm yung ginagamit ko. And, napapansin ko talaga na kapag nagpo-pump ako, nasasama pati yung areola ko. So, ano ba yung areola? So, ito yung dark na nakapalibot sa nipple natin mga momshies. And may mga videos talaga ako napanood dito sa TikTok na nagsasabi na flange size really matters. So, kaya ayun, napa-order na ako nito. So, if you're a pumping mom, I would say you really have to have this. And may nakapagsabi din kasi mommies na kahit ganito na yung size ng nipple mo, eventually, there would be times na kailangan mong mag-adjust and kailangan mong magbago ng flange size mo just to make sure na napapump lahat ng milk mo. Oh, okay. So, these are the inclusions. First, may brush sila, which is a very cute color pink, light pink. And, ito na yung mga flange sizes. So, ano ba yung mga available flange sizes na andito? So, this has the 13mm, 15mm, 17mm, 19mm, 21, and the 24mm. Lastly, meron sila, this is so helpful. So, sa mga nesting moms out there na nagbabalak na magpapa-breastfeed, tsaka magpapump at the same time, you have to get this. Yan. Ang nakagandahan pala dito, meron silang flange size guide. Oh. Let's say, for example, nasa 13mm. So, nakalagay dito, 13 to 15mm. Yung recommended flange size mo, or plug size, is 17mm. Oh. So, itatry ko yung akin. So, 16mm sa akin. So, nasa 19mm yung recommended flange size niya dito. So, ito na yung 19mm. And hindi lang to isa ha. Dalawa to mga mommies. Yan. So, magagamit mo talaga siya. Very soft. So, sa mga pumping mommies out there like me, order nyo na to. You must have this.